Take one glance at this graph right here, and it is clear the number of coronavirus cases in North Carolina continues to fall as more and more folks get vaccinated. But the impacts of the pandemic are still hitting the Triad. For proof, look no further than a note from a Triad bakery chain posted on Facebook, announcing their difficult decision to close down one of their popular locations because they say they can't find enough people to work there. New at 11, WFMY News 2's Ben Smart takes a deeper look.
It scared me because I'm like, okay, is the other one closing?
Loyal customers disappointed finding out Amoroso's bakery shut down their location in High Point.
Definitely a lot of upset, that we're gone in High Point.
The popular shop says business was booming, but they couldn't find enough employees.
Unfortunately, it was just due to labor. It had nothing to do with sales. Our sales had been great.
Amoroso still has one location in Greensboro, now combining resources from the closed shop in High Point. The bakery said, quote, "The national labor shortage has left us vulnerable in these hard times." They had 24 employees before COVID-19. They're now down to 11. Manager Meredith Watson says the bakery tried to hire as they recovered from the pandemic.
We're just making the best with what we've got. We're always hiring. I've never, anytime anybody calls or anybody comes in, and we're always hiring. We're always looking for new people. We're always willing to teach.
Other businesses are also short-staffed. The North Carolina Department of Commerce says, quote, "Employers are posting more job openings than ever, but worker shortages persist as labor force participation remains stuck below its pre-pandemic rate." In other words, jobs are available, but too few people are signing up. And McDonald's announced this week they need to hire 10,000 new employees this summer to staff their North Carolina locations. Now hiring signs all over this McDonald's location in Greensboro. The company says more staff will soon be needed as they reopen dining rooms. Back at Amoroso's, they're hoping a single bakery will be a recipe for success.
We really just want all of our regulars. We would love to see everybody.
Ben Smart, WFMY News 2.